The Parliament, the apex legislature of our country, is regarded as the temple of democracy. The table area where the officers and reporters of the House, the Secretary General and the presiding officer are seated is considered as the holy sanctum sanctorium of the House. A certain degree of sacredness is attached to this place. In our temples, devotees are allowed only up to this sanctum sanctorium and not beyond. Entering this sanctum sanctorium of the House in itself is an act of sacrilege. It has been happening as a routine for some time. I am distressed by the way this sacredness was destroyed yesterday. While some members sat on the table, some others climbed on the table of the House, perhaps to be more visible in such acts of sacrilege. I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts. As I spent a sleepless night, last night, I struggled to find out the provocation or reason for forcing this August House to hit such a low yesterday. A discussion on agriculture problems and solutions was listed. There can be difference of opinion and there can be a specific demand from anybody. They could have discussed it in the House, protested and voted against this thing. And you have got every right, members have got every right to demand for it, withdrawal also. But it is for the government to act. You can't force the government to do this or not to do this. Different kinds are admitted by chair. Language used by the list of business is drafted in such a way that it is acceptable to all sections of the House without denting the thrust of the issue to be discussed. It happened yesterday too, and the chair has been doing it for a year.